This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the Venu 3 has at least a 20% charge and is within Bluetooth range. Open the Garmin Connect app on your paired phone. Once done, tap Devices and choose your Venu 3. Make sure you select Appearance or Watch Faces in the device settings so you can manage faces. This step links the app to the watch and exposes available faces, which saves time versus browsing on the small wrist screen. Now browse built-in faces or Connect IQ options. You can filter by style or features. Tap any face to preview it, then choose Customize to edit data fields, complications, color accents, or layout. This matters because fields determine what you see at a glance. After editing, preview again to confirm readability and battery impact, then press Apply. The app pushes the chosen configuration to the watch, which typically takes a few seconds when Bluetooth is active. Finally, wait for the app to show sync complete and confirm the new face appears on your Venu 3. Make sure date, time, and key widgets display correctly. If the face doesn't apply, toggle Bluetooth or restart the watch and phone, then re-attempt apply. This clears common connection hiccups. If problems persist, remove and reinstall the face from Connect IQ, because corrupted installs are a frequent cause. Doing that usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.